Care Finger Protection. Paano ito gamitin? Then, another diaper pants. Mommy Popo. Ayun, pwede pa ito kay Anaya sa baby ko. Double XL. And then, we got a biscuit. A cookie pastry. Danish. So, ito nga pala guys yung nakuha namin sa baby company nung may event sila sa Mega Mall. No? Pag naka 10,000 items ka, may isang eco bag bibigay nila sa'yo for free. So, yun. Ito, diaper. Napkin for mama. And then, we got a training cup. Ang dami din. And, wipes. Nice. You love wipes. Oh. Pwede ito for mommy. So, nice. Ba't walang straw? Walang straw. Dapat may straw siya. Ba't kaya wala? Natanggal. Sayang. Baka nasa loob. And another wipe. Unicare. Mineral water. Okay. Another diapers for newborn. Okay. NutriBoost Kids. Si mommy and daddy ang iinom. Hydrating lotion. Face mask for kids. Another wipes. And Rascal's diaper. Another bottled water. Carrot and orange juice. Sparkling water. Anong size? Ito. Newborn again. Oh, kailangan namin to. Tiny buds na stick-ons. Nice. Patches again. Yun, ang kailangan namin. 12 patches. And a toothbrush. Cute bear toothbrush. Toothbrush. Shiny dots. Oh, conditioner pala. Kala ko lotion. Okay. Oh. Elmo na bottle. But parang gamit na. Parang luma na siya. Anyway. Ito nabasa kasi. Kaya ganyan. But this is lotion. A lotion. Hey Tiger. Newborn diaper again. And panglinis ng bote. Okay. Kailangan namin. And more lotion. Pimple patch. What's this? For mommy to clear skin. Oh, patch! Gusto ko ito mga patches. Kasi lamukal yung baby ko. Silicone straw. Oh, ito pwedeng ilagay dun sa isang bote kanina. Straw. Nature Puffs Organic. EQ wipes. Nice. Ang dami na namin wipes. Bedtime stick-ons. Another wipes from Neofresh. What's this? Zero wait time. Ito. Oh, Beach Hot. Nice. And Cetaphil for baby lotion. Another wipes. Pocket wipes. Nice. Wipes again. Clean fan. And yon, Lactaseed Baby. Bango nito. And Chico toothpaste. And ayan. dami din ah. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys. So, ayan siya. Ito lahat yung freebies na nakuha namin from Baby Company event. Kalimutan ko lang yung date pero last ano lang yun. May. So, pag naka worth 10k ka sa single receipt, eh, bibigyan ka nila ng ganyan. Yung ang tawag nila dyan is wow bag. So, since plano naman na talaga namin matagal na bumili ng car seat ng baby ko, eh, almost 10k yun. So, yun, sinarado na namin 10k yung bill para makakuha kami ng wow bag. In fairness, sobrang daming freebies. And kung talaga naman na worth 10k yung bibilin, plano mong bilhin, 'di ba? Di mo in-expect na may freebies na ganito kadami. Sulit na. Yan. Thank you, Baby Company. Yan lang. Bye.